Welcome to my Sadguru and beloved Guruji Sri Kevilan Sharma ji. This is Parvati Iyer from Mumbai. My father Sri P. Ganapati Raman is my first Guru. Through him, I met my Guruji in the year 2006. When I met him, I thought he is not an ordinary person, but some divine pull instantly pulled towards him. So I asked him if I can show the other horoscope as well. He told me that he is going to visit Mumbai and he can see him during his visit. It so happened that he had stayed put in our own locality, very close to our home. I went and we had another meeting with him, and the astrological prediction which he gave for our family was so accurate, and I was so touched and overwhelmed the way he had put across all the events that had happened, that is going to happen in the future in black and white. Then we had invited him to our home for a dinner. He came and we had shown our home and including our puja room here. So when Guruji saw Ambal, he told me that because of this photo, it has pulled him to come to my home, because he usually never accept any invitation immediately. So that is the first connection. We guess that it is the first established. And this photo of Ambal was given by my mother-in-law. So I consider this photo as my precious gift ever that my mother-in-law has given to me. Because of this photo, I met my Guruji and Sadguru. My journey in the trust and the activities which I involved had no waiting period. It was a quick jump start. I got myself involved immediately in all the activities. Within a month's time, Guruji had again an opportunity to visit Mumbai for his official purpose. I grabbed this opportunity and I had hosted that Guruji's meeting in our home. That day had happened to be his birthday. So we had a meeting. In the meeting, Guruji was describing about various serenity activities that had been conducted in the temple, and also about the magazine, quarterly magazine Seshavali. So he told me to write and contribute the article for the Seshavali on an ongoing basis. After the meeting is done, Sadguru came in trance and he had blessed everybody. The entire evening was went very nice, and everybody were so happy and dispersed and overwhelmed what had happened the entire evening in the meeting. And I was wondering, Guruji has asked me to do writing, whether can I write, whether do I have a capacity to even write, because I have not done anything of such thing in the past. And I slept over it. The next day morning, I got up with a renewed energy, and the thought process automatically came into this. Then I took a pen and pencil, and everything, the flow came automatically, and the matter came into a perspective. So I had named the title as Nostalgic Memory. Why Nostalgic Memory? I had given the experience of how I met Guruji and Sadguru in a very short time, what all had happened in our lives. So this was continuing, and in the year 2009, Guruji had asked me to lead as an editor for the Mumbai chapter Seshavali magazine, quarterly magazine. So I had an opportunity to lead the magazine as an editor for 7 long years successfully. So these activities, along with the other religious rituals like Havan in the Mumbai chapter, had given a various opportunity and involvement to explore myself into various fields which I have not done earlier. So this has given me the immense confidence, and I have excelled in various departments, not only in personal level but also the official level. So I will be always indebted and grateful to Guruji and Sadguru for giving me all the guidance throughout. Now I would like to share few miracles and the leelas that he has played in our lives. Whenever I'm a very sensitive and emotional person. So it was happened that once somebody hurt me in the office, some senior hurt me in the office. I was very much low and I couldn't come out of it. As I said, my father is my first guru and I'm very close to him, so I used to share each and everything, whether I'm a happy or a joyful mood or sad or depressed mood, I used to share with him. So I shared this incident, and my father, being a very light-hearted person and equally emotional person, he was feeling very miserable, and because he was not able to give any solution, but he told me, நீ சத்குரு நல்ல கட்டியா பிடிச்சிட்டு இருக்காய், சத்குரு ஒன்ன கட்டியா பிடிச்சிட்டு இருக்காய், means you have surrendered yourself to Sadguru and Sadguru also in within you. So leave everything to him, he shall take care of everything. So within 15 days I received a message saying that the person is moving out of the team. So I have no, this is something that it is very kind of a miracle to me, because it was been bothering and to me for more. So I have learned to accept things. Acceptance is a quality which I have Guruji and Sadguru has taught me. Guruji used to always tell me, you should focus and not bother about the other emotions and hurt. You should focus on your work, and that will give more productive in your work, whether it is being your family personal work or an official work. Now, another incident to quote is when in my job profile we have a collection target to be met every quarter. So it was so happened that there was a huge money to be to achieve our target. So it was the last day. The money, we are not sure whether money is going to come or not. My seniors are with me, supporting me, because they knew that I had given 200% in my work, so something will happen. So I prayed to my Sadguru and slept. Around 4:10 in the morning AM, somebody whispered in my ear saying that, please get up and check your office mail. So I was in deep sleep, so I kind of ignored it. Again the same message was whispered. This time I got up, I quickly freshened up by washing my face and checked my mail. At around 4:05, just about 5 minutes prior to the message, there was a mail, and that mail had a good news with the requested money that has been credited in the bank. With that, we had achieved our target. So this is like very beautiful, miracle that Sadguru keeps doing in our lives. Another instance I want to tell. Recently, last month, end of the month, in the lockdown period, I was in my official calls, back-to-back calls. So by mistakenly, I had dialed one number, which is of one of the Mumbai devotee, Mrs. Vijay Kasa, who is an ex-GM of RBI. I didn't realize that this call went to her. It was around 6:30 p.m. in the evening. So after half an hour, she returned my call and she told me that you had given me a call. So I was in, I didn't realize that I had actually given the call. So we had spoke in general and for 15 minutes and we closed the call. After my call, she messaged me saying that when your missed call had come, that point of time, actually I was praying to Sadguru and I was chanting Karuna Sardam Shantam. When your missed call came, I thought Sadguru has come to bless me. So I was overwhelmed and taken aback because I'm a small person. I wrote to her saying that I'm a small person. She wrote back to me saying that you are all small person. But I still feel that Sadguru has come through your call because I know you are a very dedicated and very sincere disciple of the Sadguru. So Sadhguru is omnipresent and he keeps doing such leelas through somebody, and sometimes we be the instrument of the other person's happiness and joy and peace and solace. I would like to share as to how I selected my guru here. Just how we select. Similarly, even our gurus will test and will decide whether to have one as his disciple or not. So after going through our Sadhguru's biography, I came to know that a guru should be a true person who is simple, humble, kind and sincere, and doing things for the mankind without any materialistic desires, name, fame and money. So I found these qualities in my Sadhguru and my Guruji. Hence my search here had ended, the search for a guru had ended. And when I'm talking about Guruji, quite often that Guruji did that. So people may wonder, even I had wondered when I joined in the beginning, as how Guruji is doing things. So what is the connection between Guruji and Sadhguru? So their relationship is like two needles of the clock. Sadhguru is a small needle and our Guruji is the big needle. Sadhguru is in a disguise, keep guiding a Guruji, and he in turn taking his instruction and driving everybody to do our activities. We should have faith and total surrender in our Guru, and he will take care of us. Like in the current terminology or technical language, we can call our Guru as a Google search, or since we are come under his network coverage, he will definitely take care and protect us in every situation. Lastly, I wanted to share that our Sadhguru has given instruction to our Guruji to perform some remedial puja during the current COVID-19 pandemic situation. So our Guruji is also doing a daily puja for the Lokakshema, and we are having a huge temple and with Annadanam, daily Annadanam and the Goshala and other activities, free medical activities and other projects in hand. I urge all the devotees and viewers to generously contribute to this noble cause and be a part of this cause. And lastly, I'll end my note saying that Guru Siksha Parambara and with our Bhakti, Shraddha and Sadhguru towards our Guru and Sadhguru will continue forever. Thank you. Namaskar.